Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I'm gonna to tell you that how to convert a large video without losing its quality with Handbrake. Firstly, you have to go to Google Chrome and you have to search Handbrake latest variant. I mean official website of Handbrake. Have to click on that. If you are using Windows, then you have to download the zip file. After installing it, open Handbrake, which is opening. You can see this kind of interface. Firstly, you have to drop a file, some video. You can see the file size is 26.1 MB. Now I'm gonna to drop this file in Handbrake, okay? Drop here. But if you want to compress video, so you have to just follow the some major settings, okay? First of all, on the summary set interface, you have to click Web Optimize, enable it. Go to Dimensions. Now we will do not changing in this section. Now go to Filter, no changing, and go to Video, where you have to set and frame rate. You have to click on constant frame rate and 30 not same as source, okay? Now go to audio, no changing, subtitle no changing, and chapter no, there's no changing, okay? Select any folder in which you want to export the file. I will export the file. You have to see the interface starting code, okay, and click on starting code. Now just waiting for the file to be exported. You can see the file is export. Now I will go to the picture. You can see that the file has become 9.19 MB, means that 3x compressed. If you like my video, then please hit the subscribe button and hit bell icon for my next videos. Okay, Allah Hafiz.